Okay, so this is explanation of the code made for testing a set of random generated numbers. After getting a CSV from the generated random numbers, what we do is we read them using the pandas library. So this list of random numbers will contain the 100 generated random numbers. The observed list will contain the classes, the value of the classes of those 100 generated random numbers. In this case, it will contain 10 classes. And expected will contain a normalized value, in this case 10, because there are 10 classes and there were 100 generated random numbers. So what we do is we will write in a text file the the output of running three functions. The first one is a chi-square test. Next, it will be the random numbers signs, and finally, it will be the run test. So the chi-square test, what it does is essentially it compares the chi-squared calculated value with the one obtained of the get chi-squared function that takes as input the degrees of freedom and an alpha. And basically what it does is it compares the chi-squared calculated value with the chi-squared of the distribution table. And the get signs, what it does is it takes a set of random numbers, calculate in this case 99 signs, and using the getter function it determines the number of runs. Finally, with the run test, we calculate mu r, sigma r, zr, and z alpha 2, and we compare that value with the zr of the function of this one. So what it does is it takes a value of alpha and it outputs the value of the z-score. And similarly, what it does is if this zr is lesser than the z alpha 2, it determines if the hypothesis was rejected or it wasn't rejected. And the output will look something like this.